Oh yeah, back at it again. And today I got my my amp that I bought off of eBay. The new Logic 7, you know, Harmon and Kardon. This is the old one. And it's all crusty, messed up. And yeah, like I said, to replace it, just take it off, put the, you know, turn the key to accessory, put your sheet up and push it all the way back. Like I said, once you go in the back, you'll see right there. I already plugged it in. But like I said, I would do the front ones first because you can get it in there. Make sure your plugs are in there. Yeah, I plugged it in already. Well, before I button it down, let me check if it turns on. Let's see. Alright. Okay, so there you go. That's it. That's what it was. Burned out amp. You can see, you can hear it, the music, navigation's working. Oh yeah. That means I can button it up now. That's pretty cool. Let's sit. Oh. At least it works. And then move your sheet all the way to the front. Okay, I suggest you do the front ones first. Move it all the way to the back. Make sure it's all the way up. Oh yeah. Now here, like I said, this one gets a little bit tricky. There's one right here. Okay. And like I said, it's a little bit tricky. There you go, wasn't centered. Like I said, it's got the 2 bolts right there. Where do you go? There you go, that was easy. Hand tighten it all the way as much as you can. Oh yeah. Grab your second one. Make sure it's centered and yeah, run it there. Damn it. There you go. There you go. It wasn't centered. I thought it was. Like you said, once you get it in there, hand tighten it all the way. I don't know, maybe I can get this one. Nope. That's what sucks about this thing right here. See if I can set the tripod without it falling all over the place. I think the reason I say to keep it like this, because you can probably push it forward. Let me push it down. Let's see which way. Oh yeah. Because these are pretty tricky. Oh yeah, that was on to the next one. Yeah, the reason I said do the front ones because you can push it down, gives you a little extra space. Boom, there you go. Now that is done, you can grab your little thing right here, your little cover, place it back together. Just like that, boom. Now it's time for the bag, so gotta push it all the way forward again. Sorry for the squeakiness. I think that's enough. Always gets annoying. Yeah, you can see the fiber optics working. It is on. Alright, so once you get in the bag, place your bolts and tighten them. You grab your 5/16 and boom. And that's it, you're done. That's how you take it out and put it back in. But yeah, as you can see, that auxiliary, some reason they put it in the back. Not bad. Like I got a log cable, so it'll work. Put my MP3 player in there. And once you're done, bring it down. And you're done. Like I said, navigation's working, stereo's working. That's one problem solved. Don't forget to take your key off of the accessory It'll kill the battery. Yep, that's how you do that. Yeah, like I said, one sure way to know that your amp is out is, navigation's not working and no sound. That's the main indicator. Now, if your stereo wasn't working, like no lights, that's a whole nother issue. Could be fuses, something with the computer, but yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you swap them out. Like I said, always make sure you take it off so you can know which ones, because there's a 1, 2, and a 3 premium, I think. So always know which one you're gonna get, so you can put the same one back in there. Like I said, this is the old one. I'm gonna keep it, safe keep. Collection of old parts that I swapped out on my LR3. It's not a bad truck. Got it cheap. Guy didn't know nothing about it, So got my hands on it and making it work. Yeah, thanks for watching.